Alright, so here we have the 7845 control panel. I'm going to show you how to remove it and replace it real quick. If you see, we have one screw right here, one screw right here, right above the control panel. And then if you go lower, you're going to see there's two screws right in the front. There's one right there, and then one right here. So looking at the front, those two screws are right there, just right underneath. So we're gonna go ahead and remove the screws. Remove this one, take that out. Leave the screws right there on the glass so we know where it's at. Let's remove this other screw right here. All right. Put it right there in the glass. All right, now we're gonna remove these two screws in here. So this one, there we go. Remove that screw. All right, and then the one right here to the right is right there. This screw. All right, and you see that one comes out. All right, so now the control panel's loose. And you just right here, just comes right off. And you'll see there's a couple of connectors right here that run to the machine. You'll see right here where the USB connects. You just pinch down. There's like a little tab right here at the top. And you push up on it, and it releases this whole thing. There we go. So what happens is, right here, this slides in right here, locks in. That's the USB. You see, like I said, you push up on there's a tab on the top. You push up on it, and then that just slides out. And the same thing, this cable just runs back in there, and then it just plugs in right there. Right there. And then that's how you take it apart. And then of course, I'll show you how to put it back in. You bring the other one, the replacement, back in. You plug that cable right in there. The ribbon goes into that, back into that socket. Right there, snapped in. Make sure it clicks in, just so there's a good connection. Then you take your USB, snap right back in. There we go. And then this just goes back up. And you just put it on there. It just kind of slides back into place right there. And then of course you have to push on it a little bit to apply pressure to line up the holes. You see how it just kind of sits there? If you push up on like the right bottom corner of it, now you'll see your holes for your screws are lined up now. So now we're just gonna go ahead and put those screws back in. One. Two. All right. And 1, 2 screws. Then you just put those 2 screws right back in these slots right here. And the slot right back in there. And there you go.